Hi everyone, Megan with Campus Recreation. Thank you for joining me for this week's episode of Nutrition Intermission. As I mentioned in our highlights, we are actually going to be talking about some tips and tricks for holiday eating. The holidays are right around the corner, and although we are in a more socially distanced atmosphere this year, I do hope that you are able to spend some time with friends and loved ones and family during this holiday season. And I have some tips ahead for you to just try and keep that healthy eating on track as much as possible. So, my number one tip for you all is to eat what you love and leave what you like. So if there's something that you look forward to every single year, whatever holiday meal it is, make sure that you get that. And if there are some things that you're just kind of so-so about, and maybe your mom or whomever, grandma, aunt, uncle, just says, yeah, you should try this, or, hey, let's get this on your plate. It's okay to leave it. So make sure you get those things that you love. Next is to nix the guilt. So if you're feeling guilty about eating foods you don't normally or usually eat, this can definitely breed some more unhealthy behaviors. So enjoy the indulgences and then get back on track to normal eating patterns the next day. So I said and alluded to this a little bit earlier, but saying no to food pushers. You may feel forced to eat certain foods because people keep offering them to you or maybe put them on your plate. You can politely decline or leave it on your plate and not eat it. Save it for later, take it home, something like that. Next, I want to talk about saving up calories for a big meal. Certainly wouldn't suggest doing this. Fasting before a big meal can actually backfire on you. You can have some lower blood sugar levels, and those will increase your cortisol levels from hunger. And this can lead to cravings for fatty, salty, and sugary foods. So, just make sure that you eat throughout the day. Get those healthy vegetables, fruits, nuts, things of that nature. Next, I want to encourage you all to eat mindfully. So choose food that you really want to eat and then really focus on enjoying the smell, the taste, and texture of every bite. Slow down and stop when you are full. Another big thing, from last week, I did talk a little bit about breakfast, so I want to encourage you all to eat a good breakfast. This sets the tone for the entire day, so look for that lean protein, complex carbs, and some healthy fat. This will give you energy, kickstart your day, and keep you satisfied until the next meal. Remember, it's just one day. You can certainly allow yourself the grace and space to enjoy whatever it is that you are doing and eating. Just remember, moderation is always key. Use a plate, and a small one if you can. Putting food on a plate actually helps you keep track of your portions better than mindlessly just grabbing food and putting it in your mouth. So we can use the My Plate food strategy for this. As always, make your plate colorful and full of different textures. Choose at least 2 fist-size portions of fruit and vegetables, half a fist-size portion of grains, or potatoes or yams, something like that, and then another half-size palm portion of lean protein or something like a starchy bean. Definitely sugary beverages in moderation, and keep any condiments and sauces on the side. Make sure that you maintain your perspective. So your healthy lifestyle will not be ruined by one day of overindulgence. So let's negate those negative self-talk comments that might come up. Definitely work on rating your hunger. So how hungry are you? Enlist reinforcement. So friends, siblings, have those healthy snacks on hand. Maybe set reminders in your phone. Focus on some of your other hobbies and things of that nature. The other big thing, please plan time for exercise. So exercise helps relieve holiday stress and prevent weight gain. And a moderate and daily increase in exercise can help partially offset increased holiday eating. So a 10 to 15 minute brisk walk once or twice a day will definitely be helpful. Take the focus off food. So a lot of these holidays stem around food traditions and things like that, but it's 2020, so maybe introduce something new into your holiday gathering. It's a great time for new. Nothing in 2020 has gone the way anyone has seen it, so great time to maybe plan a group activity that's not about food with the people who you are living with in your area. Getting outside, taking a walking tour of decorated houses, things like that. Just enjoy some maybe new things this year. Also, if you are with family or friends in your area, offer to be the one who makes a healthy dish. Incorporate those greens, those fruits, those vegetables. Preparing these dishes, looking for a recipe that's lower in fat or calories can definitely help promote healthy holiday eating. I do hope that these tips and tricks are helpful for you for this upcoming holiday season. I do wish you all a very, very happy Thanksgiving, and I do hope that you enjoy this time with family, friends, and loved ones, and make sure that you tell them that you do love them and give them a nice big hug. Thank you all. Happy Thanksgiving from Campus Recreation, and we will see you all in 2 weeks.